Welcome to the Udemy tutorial VR Basic to Advanced. Hello everyone, my name is Ramkesh Singh. I am senior Unity developer, working experience of 7+ year, and I'm creating VR application as well as games as well as multiplayer games. So I'm excited to share my knowledge. There is no very good stuff, and nowadays there are lots of things have been updated. Whenever you are going to on the YouTube as well as on the Udemy, so you will get a very older course. So in this tutorial we are going to use Unity 6 LTS version, as well as we are going to use updated XR Interaction as well as All-in-One SDK. And don't worry about these terms, because the reason I'm creating this tutorial, because I want to provide from very basic to advanced level of tutorials. And who can join this course? So if you are from any industry, you want to learn about the VR, so this is course for you. And if you are a Unity developer, you have basic knowledge of VR, so you can just explore this thing so that you get the clarity when use which SDK. Because I get lots of questions that people are really confused that when they have to use the XR framework, when they have to use Meta All-in-One XR, and when they have to use Pico SDK. So we will cover lots of things that will be from very basic to advanced level, so you have to not worry about it. Just follow step by step and you will be the pro in the VR development. The best thing will be I will cover many VR framework, as well as I will talk about how many VR body tracking we have, and how we can use the avatar system, how many free avatar system you can utilize in the VR. So I'm very excited for this tutorial, hoping that you will also learn a lot. So I can show you my portfolio. I have worked on the various games. So here you can see I'm just covering few things, not very and all project, but few stuff, so that you can get basic idea that how and what project I have done. So it's really very exciting, and I'm very excited. This is my LinkedIn profile. You can also visit and explore, so that you can be sure that I am the right person to teach you. And if you are a Unity developer, maybe you know, because I also teach on the YouTube for some tutorials related to multiplayer or some related to Unity stuff. So I am very excited to see you in that course. So see you, and welcome to my VR basic tutorial.